Hindi po natin susundin yung FIBA rules ng 3-on-3, okay? Susundin po natin yung house rules natin. Unang-una, hanggang 5 balls lang tayo. The rest, as per FIBA. And then yung possession po natin, kada possession, labas tayo sa 3 points. Kahit gaya ng steal yan, 3 points labas natin sa 3 points. So, walang direkta sa pag-shoot kagad. So, pag na-change possession, labas lahat. Okay? So, para maiwasan natin yung error na natatawag ng nakarang mga games natin. Halimbawa, nag-shoot ang kalaban nyo. Okay? Kapos, hindi tumama sa ring. Nakuha nyo. Hindi nyo pwedeng i-shoot, ilabas nyo pa rin. Okay? So, both teams apply. Kung magkakampi, okay lang, diretso nyo. Pero kapag yung kalaban na nakakuha, kailangan ilabas. Every change possession, labas tayo sa 3 points. Kahit galing sa steal yan, labas tayo sa 3 points. Paliwanag? Okay. Sa isa pang rules natin, ang number 1 rule natin sa house rules natin is bawal magreklamo. Okay? Bawal magreklamo.
Sa barangay na tayo. Sa barangay.
Kung gusto nyo magreklamo doon sa Lahotin, merong mga battle station doon. Okay? So malinawin ha. Bawal magreklamo and siyempre mag-enjoy tayo at ingatan natin ng bawat isa. Okay, so yun lang po. Salamat.
Okay, thank you po, Jeremy. Hindi na po, players, ha? Okay, now, let's start.
20 minutes sa 21 points?
Isa po pala yung sa scoring natin. Napag-usapan namin na tatapusin natin yung 20 minutes para mag-enjoy naman kayo. Okay? Kasi minsan, mabilis matapos yung 21 points eh. So, uubusin natin yung 20 minutes at the end of regulation kasi yung, syempre, lamang siyang panalo. Okay? Okay po. Salamat.
Alright.
Ryan, si Rafael, at saka si Happy. Aligay, pamigay ko rin tong jacket ko. 7.
Okay, first tee. Ayan na lang. Coach Rashi. Okay, ready. Yes. Number 27, 3 points for us. Number 8, good game the ball. Trying to penetrate. Pinasa ka ng first two. Before a risk goal. Number 7. Okay, there's a 3. Number 3 points for us. Yes. Number 8, number Lions. Number 2. Pasok number 5, Bilyatan to number 8. Nagalahan sa isang shot. Wow! Again, second. You can cheer, ha? Sa inyo. Gala! Oh, yeah! Nice shot! Nice play. Atole, back to the right. Number 5, Bilyatan. Yes, ball. Red team on the ball. Number 47, pass to number 7. Number 7 trying to pass to the foul. Number 3. Served by referee. Number 27 to number 30, San Ivan. And to the 3, number 7, Malabo. And the ball to number 8. Number 8, running the play. And to the 3, number 8, back to number 5. Number 3, number 8, number 3, shot! Hindi ka tayo.
Bro, yung score na kasi dito.
Wala dito?
Ito, Nabili, violation. Okay, napakalakas ni number 3. Electric foul. Okay, number 7.
Second team pa.
Yes, on the free throw line, number 8. First free throw. And basket. Basket number 30. Nice number 30. 3 points. Woohoo! Ang kick na shoot ang bola ng number 30. Meron na rin ng kakampi niya, number 47. Naging ako, napakalakas na tayo number 47. Kaya as number 30 na siya, sobra, napalakas.
10!
Okay, okay. Wild ball, sabi nila.
White ball. Teka.
Okay, may pinag-ibig ko man clearance. Okay. Okay.
Pause.
Okay. Hey! Sorry.
Yan ang pause.
Audience, may pinag-ibig na clearance. Meron tayong parapol ha. So, yung nagtataka kayo kung bakit kinuha yung mga pangalan mo.
6 seconds.
Okay, nakala ball game. White ball. Number 3. Montero. Ito, lakas ang defense ng defense. Number 8, sila na ang number 7.
Ito pa lang pala yung pangalan.
Number 8, number 8 again. And basket. Yes, number 13, the 3. Boom! Okay. Number 3. Pinasama niya up. Time out. Careful, tandaan lang po. Okay, number 47. Number 3, number 7. Number 5, Villarca. Pinalaksak ni Villarca, Pinila. Sayang, ganda po ng ikot pa. Ito po, number 47, Villarca. Malaw, number 2. Binasa ka number 30. Number 30 to the 3 points. Boom! Yes, number 8.
5 seconds!
5 seconds. Sabi ng committee, sinulaksak, sinugalayan.
Ang score natin, 8-3 in favor of white team. Substitution rep, Pastor Ed Lee. Ready for team foul. Pinasa kay Kuya Rafi. Pinasa kay Kuya Rod. And pass to Balyon. Balyon takes a shot. Miss. Another shot. And 1 point down. Score natin 9-3 in favor of white team.
Bakit na yun? Sa
Kaya out, kaya Silas E.
ganun dapat yung ginagawa namin sa Elo. Kaso nga lang yun. Pinagbigyan namin yung Elo.
Out of bounds. Red team, magingay! Handang-handa na ba ang yellow? Naka-ready ng yellow. Baby Larry! Passing! Rod, pass to King Zayos, launches for 3. Leon saved the ball. Tito Ednes, nagulaan doon si Baby Larry. Baby Dorentes. Ano, fully motivated si Dairin ngayon, no? Fully motivated. Rod with the jumper, correct for 1 point. Official score. Cutting down the lead by 2 in favor of Red.
Dapat nakapaglaro ka nun. Naliligaw ka.
Rod received the ball to Paleo. Denied by Dairin. What a rejection of Baby Dorentes. Doing everything dito sa game na to. Grabe, fully motivated. 5 seconds to shoot.
Hindi pala, change court pala. Okay lang.
Lang paro. Miss lang. No foul for Tito Ed. King Cyrus to Baleo with a post move. To King Cyrus to Magata ng 3. Out of bounds, and the ball will goes back to the red shirt. We have a substitution rep. Pasok in, pasok out. Pumasok na si Coach Bags. Competitive yan si Coach Bags. Bagalios.
Dalawang dekada na sa Dubai yan. Rod with the jumper, open. What a rebound by Elamparo. In and out. King Cyrus slowing down in the game, using the clock. Bagalayo to King Cyrus. Move basket. Last touch by Ryan Bagalayos. Time remaining on the clock, 8 minutes and 43 seconds. King Cyrus, kick out. Stepping line violation was called. Our game official, Rep Ryan from Jaspi. Baby Berendes, looking the good situation. Pass to Elamparo. Bagnes, Galaw with the rebound. Galaw for 3. No basket. King Cyrus with the drive. Malamig pa ang King Cyrus. A big shout out to our lovely photographer, Eya. Elamparo with the floater, but miss. Elamparo again. Mukhang marami ang tinuwat na bakal ni Tito Ed ngayon ha. Substitution. Bilyarta in. Bilyarta tumikada agad. Bola ng red. Elamparo de Discante, using the experience in this game. Elamparo. Showing in this game with the showdown. Elamparo. No basket. We have a substitution. Tito Ed is not done yet in the basketball. Grabe. The living legend. Pinapakita niya, ito yung dapat yung galaw na gayahin. King Cyrus, pass to Bilyarta. Back to King Cyrus. King Cyrus saved the ball. Shot clock violation was called to our referee. Last 6 minutes and 19 seconds in favor of white team. Lamang ang white ng 6 points. What a pass by Tito Ed! But too strong ang pinira ni Galaw doon. King Cyrus attacking the basket. No foul. King Cyrus again. What a defense by Red Shirt. Mukhang eager manalo dito ang red team. Makukuha kaya nila ang una nilang panalo dito sa game na to. Bilyarta receive. Bilyarta setting the play. Bilyarta against Montesa. Bola ng red. Ayun na, tinamaan. Medyo lang. Sa kagustuhan manalo ni Bilyarta, sumakit ang katawan ng kalaban. Montero. Bilyarta wide open. Miss. Montesa for the rebound. Galaw for 3. No good. Montesa using the glass. Miss. Montesa again. Pass to Elamparo. No basket this time. Pass to Montero for 3. Galaw again. Yes, sir! For 3! Apat na lang ang inahabol dito ng mga nakapula. Substitution. Pasok.
8 seconds! 8 seconds!
8 seconds to shoot. King Cyrus. Montesa. Pass to Galaw. Ilamparo. Ilamparo with a fake move. That means. Grabe, nandiyan pa rin talaga yung mga galaw ni Tito Ed. Tito Ed again. Galaw with the rescue. Cutting down the lead by 3. At unti-unti na pong bumabalik sa game ang red team. Wow, with the answer. Rod extended the lead with a 5. Ilamparo with the running shot. Miss. King Cyrus. Labas tayo, labas. Montero short. Out of bounds.
Lima lang, lima lang.
Galaw with the layups. No good. Rod, nilabas ang bola. Pass to King Cyrus. King Cyrus for 3. Umuwala ng 3 points dito sa round ng basketball court. You have to bring your umbrella. Montesa with the answer. Grabe. I love this game. Rod kick out to King Cyrus. One of the deadly shooters. Ilamparo. Nilabas ang bola. Finding Montesa. Montesa. Short. Galaw. Claiming the rebound. Last chance by Ilamparo.
2 minutes, 27 seconds.
Last 2 minutes and 24 seconds left. This is the most awaited game. The knockout game between red and white. Montesa. Montesa with a step back. And he is fouled. And one free throw will be awarded for Montesa.
Ito lang, start post na lang to. Start post na lang.
And he has a chance to cut down the lead by 5 on the free throw line. Montesa didn't connect. Galaw. Galaw the rebound. Grabe. Grabe yung Galaw. Sa kanya ang rebound, sa kanya ang tira. A lot of energy giving this game. Rod pick out of King Cyrus, too strong. Substitution. Oh, labas mo na. Ayan, pumasok na rin si Ivan, the rising bowler. Montesa with the coach over. Montesa with a strong drive. Basket is good for Montesa. Cutting down the lead by 4. Apat na lang ang kanilang inahabol sa ball game. And this game is brought to you by SGGI Season 2 3x3.
3 seconds! 3 seconds!
And we want to congratulate the winners in our badminton double category.
Dito mama, ano? Dito mama, dito mama!
Dito mama. Too much complain, my friend, ha? Kuhata.
Ivan, laban!
Montesa! Down! Montesa knocked down the 3. Dalawa na lang! What an intense game between white team, Rod Nakawala, easy basket. The lead back to the 3. Ilamparo miss. Grabe. Grabe si Tito Ed. Napaka-competitive pa rin talaga na ngayon. remember those days. Yung kapanahon pa natin. Retired na. Who's foul net? Number 13, that's your first personal foul. Huh? 15 foul. And a bonus free throw for Bagalayos. In and out. Another one for Bagalayos. Bagalayos. Connect. Last 38 seconds. Montero using the clock with a 4-point lead. Montero. Bang! For three. Grabe. Umuula ng 3 points. Montero miss.
20-19. 17 points. 2 points. 2 points.
And our next game, the finals between black and yellow. Ang natirang matibay sa ating 3x3. 5 to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. And the winner, North Efficient. Congratulations, brother. Friendly game lang tayo, mga kaibigan. Friendly game lang. Huwag niyong kalimutan, magkakapatid pa rin tayo nito. Yellow team, magingay! How about the black team? Okay, marunong na kayo.
And congratulations to Team White for buying the third place in men's 3-on-3 basketball tournament. Both teams